Come join me for a full day of wig wearing. Today I have on my Lusta Hair Lace Front Essential Wig. We're going on a little road trip and 20 minutes and we're already stopping, but eventually we did make it to our destination. So after getting settled into our hotel room, the weather was so beautiful, we decided to head up to the pool. One of the reasons I chose my Lusta Lace Front Essential for this trip was because I knew I wanted to be able to wear my hair up in a ponytail or down, and it was the perfect choice. I was able to splash around and play with my daughter, lounge by the pool, and just enjoy the sunshine without having to worry about my hair. After a few hours at the pool, it was time to get ready for dinner, and I wanted to give my wig a quick refresh. So I just recurled the top layer of hair and added some powder to the part line, and that was it. We were ready to go. So we headed out into the city, took a little walk around, did a little window shopping, and then grabbed a quick bite to eat. After dinner, we decided that the best way to end the night would be with a little room service dessert in bed. Thanks for spending the day with me.